Hi biology students, this is Ms. Teslin. I'm making your third drawing assignment video. We're in module 5 looking at animal invertebrates. A lot of this module is about drawing different phylums or different animals which are invertebrates. The third one we're looking at is the phylum Cnidaria, which that's an example is jellyfish. So we're going to go into the slide deck. And we're going to learn a little bit about reproduction, characteristics of the animals, and the levels of organization. This is the first group that is not asymmetrical that we're looking at. Remember, jellyfish are radially symmetrical. We're looking here at reproductive section, and we're looking at how the digestive system works. Nematocytes, and you can look at how jellyfish feed, for example. They are getting a little bit more complicated in terms of how things work in terms of digestion and waste and so forth. Remember, we talked already about the symmetry part. This part is looking at the tissue. We have the ectotherm, that's the outer layer, the mesoglia, the endoderm, which is the interior layer, and then we have, there's the endoderm. And then we have the gastrocavity here. Okay, so comparing that to the sponges, it's a different way that they digest their food. Okay. This is a step-by-step for the drawing. And so the first step is you're drawing the polyp Cnidaria. Okay, that's with the tentacles. Okay, draw 5 tentacles. The tentacles move and flow a lot, so you can draw them as if they're flowing. Okay, so that's the first part. Then inside, we're going to draw the mouth, the endoderm right here, the ectoderm, which is the outside, and the mesoglia, which is this part right here. And then finally, on the inside, okay, you're going to have the gastrovascular cavity. So remember, at the final stage, we're going to have this whole drawing. You're going to have the a breakdown of what is happening. The cnidocytes are where the stinging cells are located. And here we are indicating the cnidocytes with the nematocyst. And that's what is the stinging cells that you've probably heard about when we talk about jellyfish. Okay, so remember at the very end, this is what it looks like when you first draw it. You draw the tentacles in the body, then you do the interior with the mouth, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoglia. Then you draw the body cavity, the gastrovascular cavity. And then finally at the very end, you get a closer look at the tentacles. And the tentacles are the parts that have the cnidocyte with the nematocyte, which is the actual stinging cells that you feel. And that's how you draw your Cnidaria.